I've been doing clinical trials for close to 20 years, and I found that there are many things that can be improved. I can better control the process, I can make it more efficient, I can make it more productive for the clients and for the patients.
What differentiates us from other CROs is that we do things differently. We do remote clinical trials. We do electronic data capture. We make sure that we have accurate data and making sure that it's efficient and secure and compliant.
We provide comprehensive webinars, one-on-one consultations, and trainings, as well as certifications for our clients.
In clinical trials, there are a lot of things which comes into picture, such as talking to your sponsor, looking after the CRAs, making sure that everything is as per FDA compliant. I just love how the clinical trials run, basically. It's just monitoring everything overall, the whole project, to make sure everything is smoothly from the client side, from the sponsor side, and even the CRAs are doing their job correctly.
I think mainly it's the leadership of the company. Mukesh and Amrita, they make a great job at creating an environment that is conducive to, professional development. You feel excited to come every day to work.
The team is very dynamic, innovative, collaborative, and diverse. And it's also very supportive workplace to be. I'm very excited and thrilled to continue the journey of harnessing the power of science through research and clinical trials.
We are contributing something in advancement or betterment of someone's health is like a plus for me to work here.
I tell my people to think from the side of a sponsor, think from the side of a doctor, from a patient. That's who would decide if this trial is successful or not. I strongly believe our ability to work with limited resources of the client and get them the same quality product, because in the end, patients are going to use the drugs the same way.